G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today, and what we're going to do is just have a quick look at the installation of the Doulton Ultracarb twin benchtop water filter with Alkahydrate or with pH neutralisation. Okay, so the situation is that the product's arrived, and My Water Filter loves people and our customers when the product arrives to have a quick look at it, give it an inspection and get onto us straight away if there's any damage has been created in the delivery process or anything like that, okay? So I'll just slowly go over this system the same as I would at my house if I received it at home, and this is what you can do at your home today, and any issues just let us know. So what we like to do first up is put a bit of a towel down on the bench, and that just gives us something to work on, stops the noise, stops any damage, and it's just a nicer place to work. So this water filter arrived the other day, we've unboxed it, had a look at it, it all looks good on the outside and we're all happy, and we're going to go and install it in a second. But just before we install it, we need to make sure that the cartridges and everything is satisfactory inside, okay? So we'll just undo the diverter off the water filter, and I'm just going to lay this system over onto the bench here, and we've got the housing removal tool. It does have open and close on that tool, but basically those open and closes go down, and then you can look at the arrow. These are an Australian thread, right-handed thread. Turn to the right to make it go tight, or today we're going to remove the housing, so we're going to turn the housing anti-clockwise looking down on the system, okay? So we'll just quickly put the housing tool on, a little bit of weight on, just crack the housings. You only got to turn them a little bit and then they undo, they're good to go. So you don't have to do them up really tight either when you're going to put them together, okay? So the first cartridge that we're going to look at here today is in position 1. This is the Doulton Ultracarb. They're a great cartridge, but they are ceramic and they can break. So in transport, you don't know if it's been thrown around or dropped, so we need to inspect this cartridge when it gets to your home. So here it is here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to cast my eyes up and down this cartridge as I rotate it and just have a look, make sure that there's no imperfections on it, there's no cracks in it. Often you'll see a scratch or a lump and a bump possibly, but what we don't want is any cracks through the porcelain. 2 good washes on either end, good to go, and on here we've got the hole there that the water will flow out of. So that cartridge is happy and we're good to go, so we can confidently put that one back in, all right? Okay, just do him up. We'll just quickly pull out the second one. Okay, this is our Alkahydrate cartridge, or it could be our pH neutralisation cartridge, okay? And basically what we're going to do here is just make sure that this outer case has got no cracks in it, hasn't been dropped or squashed or anything. You can hear the mineral balls and beads inside, but that's good to go, okay? So that alkalizer can just sit back onto there, and we're all happy. Screw him up tight, put the tool on, just nip them up a little bit. Beautiful, just so that they're good to go, okay? So now we've received the product, we've had a good look at it on the outside, we've checked the cartridges inside, it's all perfect and it's good to go, it's looking good, all right? So the next thing we want to do is connect it up to the benchtop, and away we go, all right? So here's the hose that the water goes to the filter with, and here's our diverter. Has a nice little black rubber washer in the end to seal it, and we've got our double male adapter if required, and our housing tool. Over at the bench top, here's the tap spout, and on the end is the aerator. Now these aerators will simply screw out of the end of the thread here, and as you can see, this is a male threaded aerator, and there is a couple of flat sides on it, so if it's tight and you do need to put a crescent on there or a spanner, you are able to get it on there and unscrew that and take it off, okay? Now that we've taken this male aerator off, it's left us with a female thread, and obviously the diverters are a female thread also, so there's just nothing to connect onto there, okay? So we've got to put an adapter in between. So we supply this adapter with the water filter. We'll just take him out of the packet. As you'll see, it's got a couple of black washers. We don't need the big first fat one today on this one here, but you might on your tap, depending on what sort you've got. If you take a close look at the adapter, you'll see that it's got a thread on it, but it does have fine little pinpoints, and that's what it's made out of. And it's a funny looking thread, but it is a thread. You can wrap a bit of thread tape around that also to help it grip, help it stay airtight, and help it seal. And then you'll get the adapter and simply screw him up inside the thread of the tap spout, okay? So keep screwing it up in there until it's tight. We're doing it to be nice and tight here. Once he's up in there, we can put a multi-grip or a pair of pliers on there and just give it a little nip up, just so it's nice and tight. Then we get our aerator. You can put a little bit of thread tape around there if required, but we have got the washer in here that will seal with it as well, all right? And then we just screw the diverter straight onto our aerator, and we're good to go. Once again, this middle one here does need to be tight, and the whole thing needs to be tight to pull the diverter together to make it seal. So we nip them all up, get them all done up tight, and we're good to go. Okay, don't need that rubber washer. There we go. So at this point of time, it's all been successfully connected up together, and all we've got to do now is give it a flush, okay? So what we will do, we won't flush it now, just have a quick look at the next video on flushing these systems, and we'll be good to go. If you've got any questions or anything, just give us a call. Thank you very much.